road trip to Elkhart, Indiana. We just stopped off the highway on our way to Elkhart, Indiana to Toby's Pizza. We're gonna stop and grab one of the all-famous wedgies. So you'll see one of these things soon. It was worth the wait. Right here is one of the steak wedgies with everything on it. Oh.
Yeah, now it's on the ground.
Yeah, that looks good too.
I don't know, don't waste it, Sherman.
Good morning. Just woke up in the hotel room. We are at the Elkhart open house show. I've got my own hotel room with a king-size bed. I'm running a bath right now. And I've got so much room in here. So, can't wait to enjoy the week here and see what this hotel room has to offer. Can't lie, I'm not used to all this room. Got my office space here, TV here, this king-size bed. I was rolling all around that bed last night. I had more bed than I knew what to do with, to be honest with you. Hey, check it out. I found a converted bus. They're definitely in it. You can see the string lights up in the top. Just figured I'd show my discovery. Alright, so right now we're getting ready to head down into town. We are in Elkhart, Indiana this week for the open house. This is an event every year held by the manufacturers for the dealers, where they're showing all their new products, showing all the industry numbers and where we're at this year for 2023 and what we're projecting for in 2024. We're also seeing the vendors and getting all the accessories and all the updates on solar and lithium and anything new in the industry that we need to know about. Plus, we get to meet all of our brands and see all of our dealers. You know, it's that one time a year that we get to do that. So we have some entertainment. We have like bowling tonight, concert tomorrow and Wednesday night. So it's definitely a lot of work, but it is a fun week as well. So I'll keep you tuned, show you around the town, get some walkthroughs, and let's do this together. Oliver. Now let's go look at some campers. Here's the Olivers and Screaming Eagle campers. And now we're pulling into the RV Hall of Fame, surrounded by campers all over. Thousands of Class A motorhomes, Class B motorhomes, fifth wheels, everything that we can think of. Check out that awesome lounge on top of that park model. Oh, right here is a boat that hasn't been revealed yet. And this is the next day after they revealed it. Right here is their brand new 12-volt air conditioner by Dometic. This is showing the inverter and the batteries and how everything's connected and ran. Right there's a diagram showing everything for us. Just pause that and take a wiring schematic screenshot. Right there's a 12-volt air conditioner. What's up? Right here I'm at the Road Trek spot. Just want to show you guys some of their new products, see what they have going on. Check these out. Road Trek's introducing their brand new Westphalia, bringing back the pop top Westies from back in the day. Then just walking you through the lineup of all their Play, their Chase, their Zions and SRTs, all the color schemes. All right, guys, today's day 2 of the expo here at Open House in Elkhart, Indiana. Right now I'm over here at the Story Overland display. I just want to show you through some of these and show you what they are. This is a neat company out of Alabama who's really hitting that overland category well. You know, they definitely pick up some nice chassis and put some key features on them for us. These rigs definitely stood out at the show. Just look at the quality. Again, these are still by Story Overland. Simplicity, high quality, heavy duty, and it covers the necessities. This thing's sweet. All right, right now we are at the Encore plant. We're getting ready to walk through and do a little tour, see how these things are built. All right, with this walkthrough, we're starting right on the outside with the axles and showing some of the frames that were already welded up, going into the independent suspension. Then we're going into the first stage, which is our fiberglassing stage. Then into the walls and the insulation. Adding in some wiring. So neat seeing these built from the bottom up. Then we're adding on the sidewalls, running everything through, and the windows, and it was definitely a fun and interesting tour. And here's Forest River. This is where we're going to meet with our Coachman Clipper reps, seeing the new products, checking out the awesome new Rock 9000 and Rock 12,000. We are back from open house. We've had time to evaluate the show. We were really happy with it. Beyond the outcome, you know, the Thor was extremely minimized as far as campers go. They didn't have a lot compared. I mean, I would say it was probably 20% of a decrease in trailers and representation or display models at Thor this year. So that was kind of disappointing. And they also didn't have any entertainment. But, you know, we have a lot of 2022 product. It's kind of hard to order a whole bunch of 2024 product, so I understand. But for our purpose and our brands and what we went out there to do, it was a great show for us. We went out there and saw the new Road Trek, their Westie there, their Westphalia that they came out with. That looks awesome. I'm stoked to see that and what that can do in the future for us. New Camp with their Black Canyon package. Sunset Park with their new LTD line. It was just nice to see it. Nice to talk to all the reps and actually hang out with them for a little while and eat some food with them. Give them all of our feedback. So just a little different. We're used to being in the sales, you know, and getting all the questions asked to us. So it's nice to give them the feedback from what everybody's talked to me about and just talk to them and hang out and listen to what they have to say and what the industry is doing and the numbers and how each of our companies are doing. So I do appreciate you sticking all the way through this video. It truly means a lot. If you haven't already, please hit that little subscribe button. Keep on coming back. I do weekly uploads. I have a lot to say and I have a lot more series coming out. So I can't wait for 2024 to see what it has to offer. Thanks for watching.